Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Let's continue with the topic of describing sequences. Our second question over here is, in each of these sequences below, the terms increase or decrease by the same amount from one term to the next. Two of the terms are known. Work out the term to term rule and calculate the missing three terms. For this, children, I have formulated a way. J, S, D. J stands for jumps. S stands for subtract. And D stands for divide. So let's see. J, S, D. How many jumps? One jump, second jump, and I arrive to the number after the third jump. Alright, so from one number to the second number or the third one term to the next term, okay, I have to take three jumps. I will subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. Okay, so 11 minus 5 gives me 6. And then I will divide the 6 by the 3 where I get 2. Now that is actually going to be the term to term rule. Alright, let's find out. So it's plus 2, a positive 2. So 5 plus 2 gives me 7. A 5 plus 2 gives me 7, a 7 plus 2 gives me 9, and a 9 plus 2 gives me an 11. Alright, now what about this term? So if to move to the next term, if I'm adding 2 to move to the previous term, I will subtract 2. Say here, this number is 3. Alright children, so my term to term rule is equal to add 2. Alright? Did we understand this? And so we are able to find out the rest of the terms. Let's move on to the next sum. Let me write J, S, D. Alright. One jump, second jump, third jump, and the fourth jump. I have to jump 4 times. Alright. J stands for number of jumps, so 4. S stands for subtract, so 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay, D stands for divide, 6 divided by 4. Yeah, so 6 divided by 4 gives me how much? 6 upon 4, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, so it's going to be 1.5. So it's a positive 1.5. So each time I will have to take a jump of 1.5. Alright? Okay. So my first part of the question, let's answer. So the term to term rule is equal to add 1.5. Add 1.5. Alright, and then what's my next term? So if 8 is T1, my T2 is equal to T1 plus 1.5, which is equal to 8 plus 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so it's 3 upon 2, which is equal to 2 8s are 16 plus 3 upon 2. Children, remember, one number is a whole number, the other one is a fraction. What do? We take the denominator and multiply it with the whole number. This becomes 19 upon 2. Alright, either I write it as 19 upon 2 or I solve it. So just a little rough work out here. 2 outside, 19, 2, 9s are 18, 1. So as a mixed fraction, I get 9.5. Alright, so my next number out here is 9.5. Alright. Okay, so I'll write it here, 9.5. That's the working for my answer. What happens to my T3 is equal to T2 plus 1.5. What's my T2? 9.5, or can I write it as 19 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 gives me 21, 20, 21, 22. 22 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Yeah, so my next term is 11. How do I get my T4? So this is answer is 11. So here I get T3 plus 1.5, which is equal to 11 plus 3 upon 2. 2 11s are 22 plus 3 upon 2, which gives me 25 upon 2, which is nothing but 12.5. 12.5. Alright, what's the next sum? Let me write J, S, D. J is 1, 2. 2 jumps, S is subtract. So minus 11, minus 7, minus 3, which is equal to minus 14. And divide minus 14 divided by 2 gives me minus 7. So my term to term rule is equal to minus 7. So to find the next number in line, I will have to subtract my number by 7. So this is my first term, second term, third, fourth and fifth. So from third I need to find the second term, or from third I need to find the fourth term. So T4 is equal to T3 minus 7, which is my T3 is 3 minus 7, which gives me a minus 4. So here my fourth term is minus 4. So if I have to get my next term, I need to subtract by 7. So if I have to get my previous term, I will have to do the opposite. Next, the opposite of next is previous. So opposite of minus is plus. So T4, now I need to find T2 because T3 I have. So what is T3? No, what is T2? T2 will be T3 plus 7, opposite of what we had done. So 3 plus 7 gives me 10. My second number is 10. My T1 is equal to T2 plus 7, which is 10 plus 7, which is equal to 17. Can't get easier than this, children. Let's move to the next sum. Alright. So J, S, D, one jump, second jump, third jump, 3 jumps, -3, -9.6. So this is equal to addition. So can I take this as 3 plus 0 and 9 plus 6? We have to add. Remember, two subtractions. We add 12.6 minus 12.6. Yes, we add, but always sign of the bigger number. Next, minus 12.6 divided by 3. So 12.6 divided by 3. If I remove the decimal, I can add a 10 below. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6. So it's 4.2. So it's a positive 4.2. No, it's a negative 4.2. Yes, it's a negative 4.2. Right? Is equal to minus 4.2. So what do we need to do to find the next term? So here, my first term, second term, third, fourth, and here's the fifth. Alright, so T3 is equal to T2 minus 4.2. Correct? What is my T2? 9.6 minus 4.2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So 5.4. This is going to be 5.4. T4 is equal to T3 minus 4.2, which is equal to 5.4 minus 4.2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1.2. So this is going to be 1.2. To find the previous number, what will we have to do? If you subtracted to find the next number, we will have to add to find the previous number. So to find my T1, I will have to add T2 plus 4.2. What is T2? We have 9.6 plus 4.2. 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So it's going to be 13.8. Hope this much is clear. That's all for today, kids. Thank you and God bless you all.